sister on YouTube is not really my thing. My sister, your mates are making millions on YouTube. You are telling me that's not really your thing. What is your thing? The thing that you claim is your... How do I look? Cute. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? If you're watching my video for the first time, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So I saw this video by this YouTuber, Kamsi Nnamani. She posted this video 5 months ago and YouTube just recommended it to me. I'm not subscribed to her. This is the first time I'm seeing her on YouTube. Like, YouTube is a very big platform. There are millions of people. For some weird reason, YouTube recommended this video. No, let me not say weird reason. I know why YouTube recommended this video to me, because YouTube knows that honestly I watch a lot of how to make money, how to be an entrepreneur, how to create your own business, how to, video that have to do with how to money. That's the video I watch the most on YouTube. Those are the videos that motivates me. I want to learn how to, no matter how long the video is, I'm gonna watch it. So she titled the video, "How much YouTube paid me for 500k views plus 4 ways to make money in your 20s." If you haven't watched this video, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box, because the money we are gonna be talking about in this video was made on this YouTube. Like, the video is gonna motivate you to be very, very serious about your YouTube channel. So she talked about the video she made. She titled 7 ways to level up your 20s. In the thumbnail, she wrote, "Stop wasting your 20s." That is the video that blew up. That video gave her about at the time she made, how much YouTube paid me for 500k videos. The video had gotten more than 500k views. That is a lot of views. This video gave her 3,000. Oh yeah, I said 3,100. 300. I will not be sitting here making this video. $3,255, guys. Just one video. I want to fence. Okay, give me space. I want to fence. Like, seriously? That's about 1.7 million naira. After watching this video, I was like, Osito, what have you been doing? Why are you playing with your YouTube channel? So this amount of money can be made on YouTube. I'm so happy for her. So proud of her making this video to us with the small YouTuber, upcoming big YouTubers. A lot of money to be made on YouTube. We shouldn't give up. Like that thing that tell you to open a YouTube channel, just keep doing it. You keep doing what you're doing, you're gonna be big one day. I'm telling myself I have to be intentional about what I am doing. I have to be intentional about my YouTube channel, because I'm not consistent, but I am going to do better. YouTube is not easy. You see, you take your time, film a video, edit it. If you don't have anything doing, it's gonna take you like one day. If you are someone that go to work, it's gonna take days to film and edit, and when you post the video, when you upload the video, you'll be seeing 20 views. There's a time I just be like, I say this YouTube channel, this YouTube thing is not for me. Like, there's a time I just feel like, see, we die here. Videos like this are one of the things that motivates me to be like, you're gonna do it, you can do it. Everything is not about money, but I also believe that nothing is wrong in something from what you love doing will motivate you a lot. Making money from what you love doing, what you put effort, time, money. The camera I'm filming with, I bought it with my money. The tripod, ring light, I paid money. So there's absolutely nothing wrong with me trying to make money from my YouTube channel. I mean, that's why we are here now. If you are not here to make money, please, if YouTube pay you the money, transfer it to my account, transfer it to us. We that need it. I don't want this video to be long. So when I saw that video, I was like, you see this YouTube? We're there here. I want to thank her, Kamsi, for putting out that video. It really motivates me to watch the video, and it's gonna motivate you. So this guy is here to disturb me. I guess I'm done. So that's it, guys, and I just want to let us, I just want to come here to tell you guys, my upcoming big YouTubers, that we shouldn't give up. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll be leaving the video on my description section, so just go check it out if you want to. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Descends.
Non.
Mais descends-toi.
Non.
Last time I told my sister, can you start a YouTube channel? She was like, I want to start YouTube. YouTube is not really my thing. My sister, your mates are making millions on YouTube. You are telling me that's not really your thing. What is your thing?